receiving and the pre-processing of the Boston butts that we get from Heritage. We are using roughly half of each piece for Copa bacon and roughly half of each piece for the Mortadella or our bologna that we also use on the muffuletta. We separate out fat and lean and clean the lean of any of its more robust sinews and connective tissues, and then combine it at a ratio of 70-30. The rest of this process is about entangling those lean proteins in a way that captures the globs of fat in between them and holds them in suspension. Denaturing the proteins allows them to unfold, and then those sticky proteins, when we run them through the grinder, which is exceedingly efficient at and mixing finely granulated product, they become tangled up. And when they cook, they very, very slowly, gently cook, which allows us to very, very slowly, very, very uniformly contract all of those proteins into a very tight matrix that holds all of the fat in suspension. The fat that we're selecting for is the hard fat, which has a nice, easily cut structure with a good texture and an inclination to be trapped in discrete packages inside of a sausage rather than being smeared into a paste. Once the lean and fat are ground separately the first time around, then we combine them with ice, and then we combine them with more ice and milk powder for extra protein for a stronger emulsion. He's going to fold it, he's going to hand knead it together until it's sticky enough that it wants to pull your glove off. He'll fold the garnish, the black peppercorns, and the cured pork jowl all in together. Then he'll case it into synthetic fibrous casings, and we'll cook it in our smoker at 177 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 hours.